Okay, let's move on to our next part, the spaceship. Inspired by the movie Star Trek. So first things first, you need to create a tulip twist for the first part of our spaceship. Just like that. So we created the area for the pilot. This is the first. Next part is the second. Okay, area is the engine bay of the spaceship. And now by creating an ear loop here, and lastly we need to create another ear loop here, and this is the tail of our spaceship. That's it. So this is the engine bay, the pilot area, the tail of the ship. Okay, let's create a defense system for the spaceship. Create a balloon, tulip twist here. Okay, so we created tulip twist here. Leave a 2-inch bubble here. Let's just say 3.5 inch. Okay, now create an ear twist. Leave a 2-inch bubble here. Another ear twist here. Another 2-inch or 3-inch bubble here. Ear twist here. Now, so we need to balance this. Okay. Make a tulip twist here on this side for your second cannon. I think we're done. So we need to arrange this. Okay, so now need to put this here. This okay, wait, before we put that. Okay, so make another ear twist here and put it together just like that. Arrange properly. Okay, so we have a Star Trek ship here. Ting 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 ting.